real right now and sleep and slumber. But your grind keep you shining. Watching you in the mirrors like an hourglass to my diamonds, a forecast to my islands. Penetrating my soul, your eyes hold the gold to the pain that made you gain the strength to let go from all who refuse to love in your soul. A flower that will never grow old. Observing the brilliance of your love, making it's not even sexual. Your love is grand, it's strictly mental. Overflowing in your nectar, your lips taste like honey. Your eyes are the waterfalls to everyone's surprise if you desire to bear it all. You are the prize, the mantle, the trophy, the love, the sky rise. From the beginning to the end, your love is deep, your skin is soft. Lovely, my best friend. Beautiful on the outside and the end. The waterfalls of your virtue flows like leaves on the weeping hollows. Plain, simple, reverent in God's majesty. It's you. You're the queen.